restaurant, hostess. It is a countable noun. A woman who shows people to seats in a restaurant in the US. Booth. It is a countable noun. A partly enclosed place in a restaurant, with a table between two long seats. Waiter. It is countable and means a man who serves food and drink at the tables in a restaurant. Waitress. Countable. A woman who serves food and drink at the tables in a restaurant. Patron. Countable. Someone who uses a particular shop, restaurant, or hotel. The synonym is customer. Chef. Countable. A skilled cook, especially the main cook in a hotel or restaurant. Pizza parlor. It is a countable noun. The meaning is a restaurant that serves pizza. The synonym is pizzeria. Drive-through. Countable. And means a restaurant, bank, etc. where you can be served without getting out of your car. Waterfront restaurant. It is a countable noun. The part of a town or an area of land next to the sea or a river. Takeaway restaurant. It is countable. The meaning is a meal that you buy at a shop or restaurant to eat at home. Synonym is takeout. Diner. Countable. A small restaurant that serves cheap meals. Starter. It is countable. A small amount of food eaten at the start of a meal before the main part. Synonym can be appetizer. Server. It is a countable noun. Someone whose job is to bring you your food in a restaurant. The synonym are waiter, waitress. Combo. Countable. Of different things, especially of different types of foods. Hard drinks. It is uncountable and means drinks with a lot of alcohol. Tip. It is countable. A small amount of additional money that you give to someone such as a waiter or a taxi driver. Poach. It is countable. To gently cook food, especially fish, in a small amount of boiling water or milk, etc. Topping. Countable. Something you put on top of food to make it look nicer or taste better. Wedge. Countable. A piece of food shaped like a wedge. I'd like some mineral water with a lemon wedge, please. Tablecloth. Countable. A cloth used for covering a table. Stuffed. Countable. Completely full. High chair. Countable. Menu. Countable. Spit roasted. Adjective. Beverage. Countable. A hot or cold drink. Medallion. countable. Salt shaker, straw, pitcher, saucer, fork knife, diner plate. Some sentences about the restaurant. As a waiter or waitress, your table isn't quite ready yet. I'm afraid you'll have to wait. There will be a table for you in 10 minutes. Would you like to wait in the bar? We're fully booked at the moment. Could you come back a bit later? Do you need a booster seat for the child? The other sentences. Are you ready to order? What would you like to start with? Can I take your order? Here you are. Anything to drink? Was everything all right with your meal? As a customer, I'd like some mineral water with a lemon wedge, please. Just some tap water, please. I'll have a Coke, please. What non-alcoholic beverages do you have? What's the chef's special? What's today's special? What side dishes can you recommend?